Bonus tonight's news from tomorrow. There are two big stories about Elon Musk. The first one is about AI and his small business. The Wall Street Journal says that investors close to Musk are talking about the chance of raising $3 billion for the company. This would make it worth $18 billion. The business just started up in July of last year. Now, for the main story, Elon Musk himself said on X, which used to be Twitter, that Tesla will show off its long-awaited Robotaxi on August 8th. Tesla stock went up after market hours because of this news. The company that makes electric cars could start offering its self-driving cab service this summer. Yesterday, Elon Musk shared a vague message on social media that said, Tesla Robotaxi unveil on 8/8. Musk has talked about the Robotaxi project for a long time, but some experts say it's a bad idea. Cruise and Waymo, two competitors, have been trying self-driving cars on the road for years. Tesla's Phil LeBeau now gives us news. Phil LeBeau, John, what's going on? We now know when the Robotaxi will be shown off. Yes, Elon Musk said that Tesla will show it off on August 8th. He shared the information on X. But he didn't say when it might go into service or whether it will be a new model or just software that can be added to Teslas that are already on the market. No matter what, the reveal is set. And people are already guessing what it means. Summary of the video. We have some very important news to share in today's film. Okay, everyone, Tesla has finally shown off its long-awaited Robotaxi. We'll tell you everything you need to know from what Tesla's latest news means to answer your questions about full self-driving FSD and the future of self-driving cars. Stay tuned as we go into more detail about Tesla's Robotaxi and what it means for how people will get around in the future. But first, make sure you click like and subscribe now that you're here. Let's get right to the Tesla stock news. Recently, Elon Musk mentioned that Tesla would show off its Robotaxi on August 8th, 2024. This made the internet go crazy. This shocking news comes after a piece from Reuters. Today is one of the most important days in Tesla's history. Reuters broke the news that Tesla had given up on its plans for a cheap car because of the tough competition in the Chinese market for electric cars. But Musk quickly shot these claims down on X and blamed Reuters for sharing false information. Tesla fans have been eagerly waiting for Musk's dream of self-driving cars to come true. The project has been in the works since 2016 and is almost finished. Now that it's 2024, Tesla is finally ready to show off their Robotaxi. The effects are huge, but let's look at them one by one. What the notice really means. A well-known Tesla expert, Sawyer Merritt, pointed out that Musk's X post could be a sign of something bigger. It seems to Sawyer that Tesla's $25,000 small car and the Robotaxi could be connected. The small car might not be thrown away, but Tesla might be putting more work into their Robotaxi project for now. Musk's vague answer the eyes emoji makes it sound like there's more to the story. When Tesla announced the Robotaxi, it had a huge effect on the stock market. When the Reuters story came out, Tesla's stock went down. It went back up after Musk disproved the false claims and told everyone about the Robotaxi news. In trade, after business hours, Tesla's stock went up 4.17% by the end of the day. People think that Tesla felt pushed to share the news earlier than planned because of this chain of events. A report from Reuters caused worry when it said Tesla had canceled the affordable Model 2, whose price was set to begin at $25,000. Investors went crazy because they thought Tesla's growth might be slowing down. It does, however, have more than one project in the works. The Robotaxi and the Gen 3 platform compact car are two examples. Let's break it down. Robotaxi could change the way fleets are managed in a big way. Tesla wants to make customizable cars for fleet managers so it can be like Airbus or Boeing for self-driving cars. These aren't cars that regular people drive, they're for companies that want to set up teams of robotaxis. Also, the $25,000 small car is still alive, despite what Reuters said. Tesla is shifting resources to focus more on its self-driving technology, especially with FSD version 12, which looks like it will make big steps forward. Robotaxi vs. compact car as a business model. Why hasn't Tesla announced the small car that costs $25,000 yet? In simple terms, that would hurt sales of their current Model 3 and Model Y cars. It's a standard case of the Osborne effect, which says that letting people know about a new product too early can hurt sales of existing products. Instead, Tesla will probably put the small car on its website in late 2024, early 2024, so that people can order it early 2025, so that people can order it right away. I think that on August 8th, Tesla will show off the Robotaxi and give us a sneak peek at how the small car will look. The focus will be on how safe, cheap, and flexible robotaxis are. When rules about self-driving cars are loosened up, Tesla might let owners of small cars use their cars as robotaxis. They might even make a conversion kit that Tesla users can use to turn their cars into robotaxis. Tesla's plan for making things is also very bold. They want to make millions of units every year and use self-driving technology to lower the cost of transportation at the same time. In places where travel is expensive or not well developed, this could have a big effect. What the future holds for full self-driving FSD. FSD is a key part of Tesla's plan. It has been easier to use version 12.3 than earlier versions, but it could still be better. It will be a big deal when Tesla cars hit level 3 autonomy, which means they can drive themselves. As the software gets better, FSD prices are expected to go up. Finally, why hasn't Tesla made a robo-bus yet? People who take buses often have to give up time and ease, which isn't always a good thing, especially in large countries like the US. That's where the Robotaxi really shines. It gives each traveler personalized service and gets them exactly where they need to go. Tesla is also trying out charging robotaxis wirelessly, which would make the process go more quickly. It's not as fast as charging with a plug, but it saves time and effort, which makes it useful for fleet operations. Finally, Tesla's upcoming projects for a robotaxi and a small car are going to change the transportation business. There has been work with FSD, and level 3 autonomy is now possible. This is an exciting time for Tesla fans and investors alike. Wait for the August 8th show, and keep an eye on the future of self-driving cars.